A very good morning to my children. Take out your English 2 book, page number 59. In the last video, I completed this chapter 8, Sam and Mama Heron, and I hope you have understood the story. So today we will do this walk. Okay, so let's see. Understanding the story. So whether you have understood the story or not, to find out that here is some walk. Okay, so let's see. Number these sentences in the correct order. So you have to now arrange these sentences in correct order. Okay, so let's see first what happened. Number 1 is this. See, Mama Heron hurts her wing and leg. Starting of the story, what happened? Mama Heron hurts her wing and leg. So this is number 1. You write number 1 in the box. Okay, this is number 1. Then Sam puts Mama Heron in his toy cart. Sam, he helps Mama Heron by putting her in his toy cart. So this is number 2. Okay, this sentence is number 2. Then he takes Mama Heron to her nest. After putting her in his toy cart, Sam takes Mama Heron to her nest. So this is number 3. Okay. Now number 4, let's see. Now, mother gives Sam money to buy bread. This is number 4. Okay. Sam plays with his friend. So on the way, while going to buy bread, Sam met his friend and he starts playing with his friend. So Sam plays with his friend. So this is number 5. Okay. Sam cannot find the coins. So this is number 6. While playing with his friends, he lost the coins. So Sam cannot find the coins. This is number 6. And last, number 7 is this sentence. Mama Heron helps Sam find the coins. Who helps Sam? Mama Heron helps Sam find the coins. This is number 7. So in this way, you will write the number in these boxes. Okay, according to the correct order. Okay, so I have already told you. So see, in this way you write down this work in your book only. Okay, this question A you will do in your book only. Now come to B. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Mama Heron cannot go home because option A, she is hungry. Option B, she is looking for fish. Option C, she has hurt her left wing and leg. So which is the correct answer from these 3 options? The correct answer is option C. She has hurt her left wing and leg. So we'll tick here. Okay. Now number 2. The people in the car do not help Mama Heron because option A, they are in a hurry. Option B, they do not like Mama Heron. Option C, they do not hear Mama Heron. So which is the correct answer from these 3 options? The correct answer is option A, they are in a hurry. The people in the car do not help Mama Heron because they are in a hurry. So we'll tick in this option A box. Okay. Now number 3. Sam starts crying because option A, he wants to play with his friends. Option B, he cannot find the coins. Option C, his friends do not help him. So which is the correct answer from these 3 options? The correct answer is he cannot find the coins. Sam starts crying because he cannot find the coins. So the correct answer is option B. So we will tick in this box. Now question 4. Sam says Mama Heron is kind because Sam says Mama Heron is kind because option A, she helps him find the coins. She helps him find the coins. Option B, she thanks him when he helps her. She thanks him when he helps her. Option C, she plays with him. She plays with him. So which is the correct answer from these three options? The correct answer is option A. She helps him find the coins. Sam says Mama Heron is kind because she helps him find the coins. So we'll tick in this option A box. So you will write down this work in your book and in your notebook also. Okay, this A, number the sentences in the correct order. You will do this work in your book only, but this question B, tick the correct answer. This one you will write down in your notebook also. Okay, only this option B means question B, tick the correct answer. You will write in the book as well as you will do in your book as well as you write down it in your notebook also. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.